Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks to all my viewers and subscribers. So today I'm making some porridge, as you can see. So I watched MTM Family and I saw Shia Wayne made porridge, so I decided to replicate that. So I'm making peanut plantain porridge. So I have 2 plantains. They're small, that's why I'm using 2. I have nutmeg, I have cinnamon, I have bay leaf, I have coconut milk. I normally make my own coconut milk, but I cannot find any coconut in the supermarket, so I'm using a yard brand. Lasco vanilla soy powder. You can use a regular soy powder. I have cinnamon sticks, I have vanilla, I have sugar, and I have peanut. As I go along, I will tell you the quantity I'll be using, and I will also include this in the description box down below. So the first thing I will do is to wash my peanuts. These are raw unprocessed peanuts. So I pour it in my Ninja cup. Then guys, I'll just go ahead and peel the plantains. These are green plantains, and I'm using the plantain as binder for the porridge, so to thicken the porridge so that it's not watery. So you can use flour, you can use arrowroot, you can use oats, you can use anything. Cut them small enough to blend easily. So I will now add water to my 24-ounce cup to the maximum liquid level. Cover this and I will blend. So guys, I will just blend this for a minute. I will pour this in a bowl, get the porridge started. I added 1.5 cup of water to the pot, and I now add 2 stalks of my cinnamon sticks. I'm also adding bay leaves. Guys, I love flavor, so I want it to be very flavorful, so I'll allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. So now that our cinnamon and bay leaf is boiled and I can smell the flavor coming from the pot, I will now add my mixture of peanut and plantain. Guys, the trick to not having lumpy porridge is to continuously mix it. If you do not continuously mix it, then you will have lumpy porridge. Growing up back in Jamaica, porridge was a staple for breakfast. All porridge, oats porridge, cornmeal porridge, banana porridge, rice porridge. I do not like peanut, but I tried peanut porridge from Mother's restaurant chain in Jamaica when I was an adult, and I found out that I really liked it. So when I saw this recipe yesterday on MTM Family, I decided that I want to try it. So continue to stir, guys. You don't want it to get lumpy. So you want to have it on medium heat. So it's getting thick, so we'll add a little more water to it. I use all of the coconut powder, and I use 1/4 of the soy powder. You can use condensed milk, whatever milk of choice that you choose to use, that you have at home. Getting a little thick, so I'm going to add more water. So you just have to add more water as you go along. So now our porridge has been cooked for 5 minutes. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. I'll add a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and I will mix this. See, guys, the consistency, I don't like too thick of a porridge or too watery of a porridge. Pinch of salt. I'll now add some sugar for sweetness, probably 1/4 cup, depending on how sweet you like how sweet your taste buds are. You can add the amount of sugar. And I will let this simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes. Our porridge is now finished. I'm going to make a bowl. Now I'm going to pour the porridge in my bowl for my breakfast. can see it's not so thick, but it's have a good consistency. Peanut plantain porridge, and I'll just let you see the consistency of this. There it is. This is so good. This is so healthy. Please try this recipe. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Share it with your family, guys. So until next time, when I'll be making another scrumptious healthy meal, stay safe, have a blessed week. Until next time, see you.